I'm Bob Leatherman from Boat+ in Orlando, Florida. I want to tell you a little about Boat+ and how we've been serving the Central Florida boaters for over 25 years. We offer 3 years of service with every new boat that we sell. We offer the Platinum Protection Program, so your boat is protected from fading and tears in the vinyl for 5 years. We offer a free Coast Guard kit, a free CTO membership. We take trade-ins, and we have more financing options than any other dealer. We're looking today at the 22 Pure Bay from Blue Wave. Blue Wave's #1 selling boat in all of the states around the west side of the Gulf of Mexico, and now they're sold in Florida by Boat+. And this boat is just amazing. It offers the largest front deck fishing area of any bay boat, also the largest rear deck fishing area of any bay boat. The anchor locker and center storage lockers all drain overboard. It's got a custom molded fishing rod holder on the port side of the boat, which is, as an option, you can also get that on the starboard side of the boat, or you can have a big fish box on the starboard side.